Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. So, tomorrow's chicken day, and it's not a good day for them, but it's not a bad day either. Got to put up the plucker. This is the Yardbird plucker. All right, so let's open it up. Directions, do we need them or not? Yeah, probably. All right. Oh boy. So excited. Well, heck. Here's the, I'm sure it's a stand. Ooh, nuts and bolts, lovely. All right, so. Okay, so I'm sure the legs are going to go on this, and then it's going to flip over, and then that's going to go on it. I bet you, yeah, this part, and then this thing will sit on top of it. So we keep all those parts together. Oh, that dog is just, I don't know, she's crazy. Oh, there's 2 bars. I wouldn't mind the bar right now. All right. Still alive. I'm gonna guess. Don't ask me how I know, but those just went together. I'm excited to use this. I hope it's gonna be a lot better. I think it is gonna be better than plucking these suckers by hand. Oh boy, that's horrible. I guess it doesn't matter where these go, as long as you get them on there. That'll be the wheel. I'll roll that way. All right, I can deal with that. You put it the right way, might help. Boom. See what bolts go into it. Those bolts in the washer. Ah. Okay. And it's nice. They're actually all put together. So you just pick it up. The set has the lock nut, the lock nut, the bolt, and 2 washers. That's pretty nice. Hey, I'm back. So is she. Man, this thing was a bunch of different sizes for all the bolts. It would have been nice if some were the same. I got a 10, I got a 1/2 inch, whatever, and a 17. So, 1/2 inch probably could have been a 13, but hey. Now, get it all together. So now this says 2. Okay. I'm gonna put this here. Then these ones. And that's going to be this. And then make sure the air valve is on the outside when you put this together. Just kidding, there's no air valve. Sorry, I'm a little delirious. I have those stupid dad jokes, but whatever. Oh, it says to do this in the styrofoam. Yeah. And then take it out. See it. All right, so it says to put the other plucker finger this way. Far from being ready. Well, Definitely don't want to have to replace these things. All right, so keyway, the key there. Yeah, I think that is to help the feathers get out. Looks like the feathers come out of this hole right here. I'm just guessing. Ow. Boom, done. What the heck? Oh, look at that. It only goes one way. So you match it up there like that. Interesting. I wonder why. Then I'll put these little carabiner things back on. Well, this is where my camera now overheats and shuts off. Luckily, I'm pretty much done with this. I will put it to use tomorrow, and I know it will work just fine. Much better than hand plucking. Well, thanks again, and see you next time.